Buju genawa piraske kwe endayama nungom endayan ingodwaswe oshke ikidowinan Zaagi'iwe-giizhigad. These are some love words that you can use at home with your relatives. Basic ikidowinan you. Basic ikidowinan kita ikidod you. Giizhigad. Giizhigad. When you're done, Giizhigad. Giizhigad means I love you, and this is an like unconditional. You're gonna love them no matter what. You give them your whole heart because they're your family. I love you. Giizhigad. Nijing oshke ikidowinan. Ich bin gegiwabanan. Ich bin gegiwabanan. Geda ikidod. Zaagi'iwe. Notice that little glottal. Zaagi'iwe. When you're done, Zaagi'iwe. Say that slowly. Zaagi'iwe. Goyak. Zaagi'iwe. This is the same as our last phrase. It means I love you. But this one's kind of like a stingy love. Like, oh, I love you so much. But you could also change your mind about loving it. So this one, you're very particular about how you love them. So the pictures look a little bit different on this one. See how there's a little broken heart, a little crack in this one? So you need two pieces in order to make this one kind of whole. Niswe oshke ikidowinan, our third phrase. Giminwenamin. Ich bin gegiwabanan mazanakizon Geda ikidod. Giminwenamin. When you're done, Giminwenamin. Okay, get Giminwenamin. I like you. I like you. Giminwenamin. Geda ikidod. I like you. Giminwenamin. Okay, get sana. Niswe oshke ikidowinan. That's your third word for today. Giminwenamin. Niwen oshke ikidowinan giwiwabanan. Ich bin gegiwabanan namazanakizon iyo. Geda ikidod. Gemikawadiz. When you're done, Gemikawadiz. Get. This means you're beautiful or handsome. You're beautiful or you're handsome. You're telling somebody that they're good looking. Gemikawadiz. Gintam gidakidod. You say it. Gemikawadiz. Migoyak. Ich bin gegiwabanan. You see this? Gemikawadiz gidakidod. Nano oshke ikidowinan. Fifth word. Giwiwabanan. Ich bin gegiwabanan iyo namazanakizon. Geda ikidod. Gigijewadiz. When you're done it, you Gigijewadiz. This one means you're kind. You're kind. Gigijewadiz. One in jeans, you see the little hands there? They're holding hands. You are kind. Gigijewadiz. Ich bin gegiwabanan iyo namazanakizon. Geda ikidod. Gigijewadiz. Nano ikidowinan iyo. Our last word. Ingodwaso oshke ikidowinan. Ich bin gegiwabanan iyo namazanakizon iyo. Geda ikidod. Gikinjigwenishin. When you're done it, you. Gikinjigwenishin. Gikinjigwenishin. We wabadan giwizichigan. Gikinjigwenishin means hug me. Gikinjigwenishin. Mino gaye gedakidod. Gintam gedakidod. Ich bin gegiwabanan iyo gedakidod. Gikinjigwenishin. Mi goyak. Minawa gakina gwen, minawa nagum, minawa gakadod. You, by goodness, oh. You, gadakadod. Onishin. This way, Oshke Kidowinan. Gimin Wainamin. Mi goyak. Niwan Oshke Kidowinan. Gimiko Wadiz. Onishin. Minotagos. Nano Oshke Kidowinan. Gigi'we-giizhigad. Ginatum. Mi goyak. Go dwaso Oshke Kidowinan. Gikinjigwenishin. Mi goyak. Mioga kena Oshke Kidowinan nungum. Giwiga gigadod. Gidewe magana. You can use any of these phrases for your relatives that you have at home. Let them know that you love them in an unconditional way or in a stingy way, or if you like them, if you think they're beautiful, they're kind, or if you need them to hug you. Miyo minik, miigwich biznawian, kikawabman.